Hey guys, another item in my vintage unboxing collection. So you may have seen a little while ago, I unboxed a Dell Axiom. That ended up having a problem. Watch the video to find out about that. So I had to return it. But luckily, right before actually the problem happened, I bought a Palm Pilot. Because a few years ago, I really wanted a Palm Pilot. I don't know why. At the time, I think I had an iPhone. So I don't know why I wanted a Palm Pilot. But I never ended up getting one, probably for good reason. Because I would not have really used it. But it's cool to see now. So I put it in the box with this bubble wrap. Let's hope it survived. FedEx isn't the nicest of packages. Okay, there we go. Oh, interesting. I didn't realize it doesn't come with the dock or charger, but I didn't realize it came with a case. So it says Palm Pilot. Then when we open it, we have our little Palm Pilot. Oh, that's interesting. It sticks on with Velcro. And then you have your little commands. Now, part of the reason why I bought this is because it has a battery compartment, so it still works even though it doesn't have the dock. And then let's take a little look at this. This just looks so vintage. So the other one had a full color LCD screen. This just has a monochrome screen, but that's okay. So we have our brightness button, a couple of other buttons, shortcuts, up, down, our touch screen. On the back, we have our dock connector, reset button, battery door. On the top, we have our IR, which is really cool. You can send different things to other Palm Pilots. And then we have our stylus, which looks just like a DS stylus. Let me go grab some batteries. I'll be right back. And we're back. A little while later, I finished filming another unboxing video, but I got batteries. So this takes two AAAs. Let's see. I also noticed there's a little slider on the side. I want to say that's for brightness. Okay. So I put the batteries in. Oh, there's another slider for activation too. I want to say it's an expansion module of some kind. How do I turn it on? Maybe the reset button. Let's try pushing that with my paper clip. Did I put it in the wrong? Why do they do this? Why do they say do it this way, but they use the spring? That's why. It wasn't, the batteries weren't inserted correctly, and they shouldn't go in this way. Oh. It looks like it's kind of starting to turn on. But because of this stupid battery thing, let's try resetting it again. I saw something on the screen. It said Palm. Oh, there we go. Welcome to Palm 3. Is that the version or the device? I'll put on here what it is. If I push this button. Oh. It basically turns it on and off. I thought it would turn on a backlight. Okay, so it's saying tap center of... Oh, wow. I did not do that. Tap center of target. There we go. Oh, wow. The screen's kind of blurry. We have our preferences. Let's see. We have set time. Why does it look so blurry? Oh, it's just because I'm at an angle. It is 8:44. It says 8:45 on, or 7:45 on here. But it's 8:44 p.m. Okay. And then it is 1/2/1998. Gonna have to click for a while. It is 2023. You might even be watching this in 2024. It is November 20. So we have all of our different settings on here. How do we get out of settings? Applications. There we go. Does this not have a backlight? So it kind of turns it off. Press and hold. Oh, there we go. That's a beautiful green. So we have our address. So you have Palm 3 accessories and technical support. So you have all the information about them. That's cool. Oh, done. You can look up by scribbling in here. Let's go back to our application. We don't have a whole lot on here. I'm sure you could add more by plugging it in. So you have your calculator. 2 × 2 = 4. I like the circular buttons they have here though. Menu. Oh, okay. Let's go back to applications. Then we have our date book, also known as a modern day calendar where you can add your own events. Let's do new event. Start time. That time. End time. That time. Okay. Details. Event details, can we name it? Note. Okay, first time using this. Oh, so we have an on-screen keyboard so we can type our LOLs out loud. Then, like you can see from our nifty little cover case, we have something called graphite. Graffiti. So it shows us how to draw letters, punctuations, stuff like that. So for example, A, usually if I were drawing an uppercase A, this I guess hides and shows the keyboard. Usually I would go like that. Up, and then the line. Nope, that deletes a character. Well, it creates one and then deletes one. What you do is you just go up and down. Up and down. In menu, I guess it just shows you more information, like you can copy, you can paste. I'm surprised this has enough RAM for that. Expense. Ooh, it has a built-in accountant. Ooh. 55555555. Expense type is, it is hotel. Okay. Okay, well just like the other one, let's hope it doesn't meet the same fate. I'll play around with it a little bit more, and then I'll show you my findings. Alright, we are back. So I kind of didn't realize I didn't finish this video until just now when I was editing it the day before I upload it. So let's finish what we started. So it's time to reset the time. So it's now February 25th, 2024. We go to applications. So we have just some stuff. We have a memo pad for writing. We have preferences, so like settings, security, and this in here you can like put a password for your address book and stuff. You have your mail, so you can sync this to your computer's email. You have HotSync, which I think is just to sync it to a computer with the connector. Although I saw somebody, when I was looking at the IR Blaster, somebody said that they actually bought one for their computer. Oh, modem sync too. So you can like basically make or connect to the internet and like do your mail through a modem. Which is basically internet through the phone lines, for those who don't know. To-do lists, like you can check off, send in your registration. So yeah, these are all like the default applications. And you have some direct shortcuts to like your calculator, applications, menu, which like this is like the menu at the top bar that you'd have on like a PC or Mac. You have this little search thing, so find, so I guess you would type things in. Okay, so I type in A. Oh, so it shows you your addresses, to-do items, that type of thing that has A in it, or whatever you type in. And then down here you have a dedicated button to your calendar, address, to-do, memo, and then you also have an up and down key. So if you're on a list or something, you don't have to constantly keep tapping, you can just do this. It's not a brightness slider, but it is a contrast slider. Also, you may see flickering on the screen. That's just from the camera. That's not actually happening on the device. Let me know if there are any specific things I should do with this, because I want to maybe try putting like games on this or something. So let me know in the comments if you had one, your experience with it. If there are any specific games or things you wanted to try, let me know, and I may make like a part 2. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh. Hey guys, another item in my vintage Apple... No, wait.